Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is, your behavior is so fussy. Your behavior is so fussy. तुम्हारा अखलाक बहुत बदमिजाज है. Second, his wife is an uppity woman. His wife is an uppity woman. उसकी बीवी खुद मुख्तार है. 3. These days are happening very inhuman treatment. These days are happening very inhuman treatment. आजकल बहुत जुल्म सितम हो रहे हैं. 4. You are so chatterbox. You are so chatterbox. तुम बहुत बक बक करने वाले हो. 5. Nothing can happen to yours. Nothing can happen to yours. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. 6. Only your words are big. Only your words are big. तुम्हारी बातें बड़ी हैं. 7. You wander all day. You wander all day. तुम सारा दिन आवारा गर्दी करते हो. 8. You wander in streets like stray dog. You wander in streets like stray dog. तुम गलियों में आवारा कुत्ते की तरह फिरते हो. 9. You have nothing to do. क्या तुम्हारे पास करने को कुछ नहीं है. The last one is 10. Don't waste your precious time in idle gossips. Don't waste your precious time in idle gossips. अपना कीमती वक्त फजूल गपशप में मत गुजारो. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.